Okay, hi everyone. Welcome back ulit sa ating Mounting channel. So, in this video tutorial, i-explore natin yung ating exterior angle inequality theorem. So, one of the key theorems in geometry that help us to understand kung bakit or how the angles of triangles relate to each other. So, stay tuned because we will also go through clear examples and easy to understand to remember this theorem. Okay, so let us define first what is exterior angle. According to this one, exterior angle, so this is an angle formed by or between any side of a triangle and a line extended from its adjacent side. So if this is our example, so the triangle here, so we have A, B, C, D. So angle C, so this is our exterior angle. So exterior angle theorem, or it, the measure of an exterior angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of the measure of its remote interior. So, if this is our interior angle, kung ito po ang ating exterior angle, I mean, exterior angle. So, ang remote interior angle natin ay itong A at saka B. So, ito sila. Ito. Saka ito. So, these are the remote interior angles of exterior angle C. Okay. Let's have an example. So, same figure. Ito. So, same figure kanina. So, angle C, ito, is an exterior angle. Ito, dito tayo, exterior angle. While B and angle A, alitin ko, angle A and angle B, angle A and angle B are its remote interior angles. So by EAT, meaning measure of angle C, itong angle C natin, measure of angle C is equal to the measure of angle B plus the measure of angle B. So kung i-add daw natin ang measure ni angle B at saka ni angle A, ay dapat equal dito sa ating exterior angle kay angle C. Example, ito. So let A is 50 degrees. So kung ito is 50 degrees, okay, at ang B natin is 70 degrees, and ang C natin is 120 degrees. Okay. So, if you're going to add 50 plus 70, that is 120. So, dapat mag-equal sila. So, alam naman natin that the total sum of the three interior angles of our triangle is equivalent to 180. So, kung ito is 120, so therefore, this is 60. Okay? So, 60 degrees. So, kung i-continue natin ito, so this is already a half circle. So, that is 180. So, 60 plus 120, that is already 180 degrees. Then, measure of angle C. Okay, measure of angle C is equal to the measure of angle B plus the measure of angle A. So if 120, ito, so if this is 120, so 70 degrees plus 50 degrees, that is also 120. So therefore, that is okay, true. Next, exterior angle inequality theorem, so or EAIT. The measure of an exterior angle of a triangle is greater than the measure of its remote interior angles. So tingnan natin. Sabi dito, the measure of exterior angle of a triangle, this one, is greater than the measure of its remote interior angle. So, ang angle 4, ang kanyang remote interior angles ay ang angle 1 at saka ang angle 2. So, in the figure, angle C is an exterior angle. Angle B and angle C are the remote interior angles by this one. Then, measure of angle C, ito, is greater than the measure of angle B. Tama? And measure of angle C is greater than the measure of angle B. Example, let A is 50 degrees and let B is equal to 70 degrees. Kung ang angle C natin is equivalent to 120 degrees, so yung ating definition kanina, which is measure of angle C, kung ito is 120, so therefore mas malaki talaga siya kay measure of angle B, which is only 70 degrees. The same with measure of angle A, which is only 50 degrees. Okay, nakuha po ba? I hope naintindihan. Sige. Then, ito na. Our example. So, true po siya. Because one, typo lang po, sorry. Because 120 is greater than this. So, this is 70, not 17. Sorry po. And 120 is greater than 50. So, the answer is true. So, not 17, that is 70. I hope naintindihan. Nakuha yung ating topic ngayon, which about the exterior angle inequality theorem. So this is, I think grade 9 ito noon, pero nasa grade 8 na po. So under matatag curriculum, so nandito na po siya sa second quarter, week 6 ng ating matatag curriculum. So, and that's for today's lesson about the interior or the exterior angle inequality theorem. So, I hope na nakatulong sa inyo na maintindihan yung mga concept. So, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video to your classmates. Comment then if you want another tutorial, especially in mathematics. Thank you so much and magandang araw sa muli. So, this is Teacher Ayan and have a nice day to everyone.